So we're out here at our Lexington project, which, as you can expect from homes in this area, it's a bit of a time capsule. The original front block was built over a century ago, and then there's been two different major additions put on. One was here in the 90s through the first floor, and the other was in the 2000s. There was a primary bathroom put on and a third floor renovation done. So in all these areas, we have different building envelope assemblies to deal with.
We used a mix of materials and strategies to balance buildability, preservation, and performance.
So on the original oldest section of the house where we had those 2x4 walls, the siding also wasn't in great shape. So it was a perfect opportunity for us to talk about exterior continuous insulation. We were planning to remove the siding from this section, install continuous wood fiberboard insulation, and then add new siding over that. We were really excited about this strategy as we knew it would improve the building envelope over those thin 2x4 walls.
But the Historical Commission placed a 20-month demolition delay on the siding. It really limited what we could do and what we could touch on the exterior, so we had to adapt.
This isn't these homeowners' first high-performance house, so they understand how this could look and feel once we bring it up to a certain level.
That trust allowed us to focus on doing it well, even if it wasn't straightforward.
So we shifted from thickening the walls from the outside to thickening the walls on the inside.
Spray foam played a role, but only in areas where it was truly the best option. It's a product that we're very thoughtful about where and when we use it.
So in areas like this in the general section of the room, there was plenty of space, but in areas like this front bay or the stairwell where we couldn't bring the wall any further into the space, we had to make some sacrifices. In that case, we went with the closed cell spray foam insulation as it's a high R value per inch product. It's one of those situations where design build really shines. We're not just solving for how the details look on paper, but how they actually get built and work together.
After installation, our team went around and manually air sealed transitions, especially where different generations of the house meet. It's detailed work, but it's where we can really make or break a project. Then we brought in AeroBarrier, and that's a process that really helps us bring it all together.
AeroBarrier is a measurable and repeatable strategy that helps us get more predictable air tightness results across an entire building envelope. Before AeroBarrier, we were able to get homes pretty airtight, but now we are super happy with the results we're able to get. It's something that we now use as often as we can, not to replace craft, but to complement it. We still need talented air sealers to seal up larger gaps over 1/2 inch because AeroBarrier is not very good at sealing those. But it's very hard to find and seal gaps smaller than that, especially all at one time. That's why AeroBarrier really shines in these existing old homes where there are so many of those to seal, and often it's very difficult to get at those spaces. Today we're doing our post-AeroBarrier blower door test. So when we started the project, before we've done any demolition, we were at about 12 ACH 50. Now we've taken all the protective coverings off the windows and areas that are meant to stay operable, and today we're at about 2 ACH 50. We're not done yet. We're still going to get tighter as we seal up final gaps and details and add wallboard and other finishes, but that's amazing for a 125-year-old house that has been leaky for the entirety of its life until today. These results show the work that went in to make this home more airtight, from insulation strategy to manual air sealing to AeroBarrier.
And hopefully this work will last another 125 years. That's the goal. To improve performance without compromising this house's history and make this home better for the next century.